In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the reverse light bulb on your 2019 to 2020 Hyundai Elantra. It's a very easy process, takes less than 5 minutes to do the job, so let's go ahead and get started. Now that's the left side reverse light and that's where the right side one is. Now let's get started with the right side one first because it's very easy. So that's the light right there, right behind it, underneath the bumper. That's where the bulb is. Now first off, you need to get the electrical connector out, and this is the only tricky part about this job because the position of the electrical connector and when you get your hand in there it gets kind of awkward. What you have to do is press the middle part of the connector, press it with your thumb or your finger, and then get a flathead screwdriver to pull the electrical connector down while you're still pressing down the middle part of the electrical connector. That's the trick. That's what makes this job easy. Once you get the electrical connector off, it's very straightforward. Just get the bulb holder, twist it left, and out it comes. Now once you get the bulb holder out, in order to get the bulb off, all you have to do is get a towel or something so you don't touch the bulb with your bare hands. Press it down, twist it left, out it comes. The replacement bulb size is 7506 or 1156 single filament bulb, 7506 or 1156. Get the new bulb, put the bulb in the bulb holder there, push it down. See how I can push it down, twist it right, and you're done. Put the bulb holder back in the slot over there, make sure it's sitting flush like this, and then twist it right to lock it in place. Now let's get the electrical connector, slide it on. It only goes on in one way, and then click it to lock it in place. That is good. Now that's the left side light. Over here we have to get this cover off. This cover is held in place by two nuts, two 10mm nuts over there, and three plastic clips. For the clips we need a flathead screwdriver, a small flathead screwdriver, and for the nuts we need a 10mm wrench. Get the screwdriver, pry out the middle part of the clip, pull the clips out, three clips, and then use the 10mm wrench and get those two nuts off. And now we can pull the cover down and access the bulb holder. It's very straightforward. Pull it down, enough space, and right there, that's where it is. The electrical connector and the bulb holder. It's the exact same process as the right side one. Put the clips back on, put the nuts back on when you're done with the job, and that is pretty much it.